Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive attachments in Gmail step by step. Adding files from Google Drive allows you to share large documents, videos, and other files without using traditional email attachments. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. Click the Compose button to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and add a subject for your message. At the bottom of the email window, click the Google Drive icon. A Google Drive window will open showing your available files. Now, select the file you want to attach. You can choose files from My Drive, Shared with Me, or upload a new file from your computer. After selecting the file, click Insert. The file will now appear in your email as a Google Drive link. Before sending the email, Gmail may ask you to adjust the sharing settings. Choose whether the recipient can view, comment, or edit the file. Make sure the permissions match how you want the file to be shared. Once everything is ready, click Send. The recipient will receive your email with a Google Drive link and can open the file based on the permission you provided. Using Google Drive attachments in Gmail is useful for sharing large files, collaborating on documents, and keeping your emails organized. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Drive attachments in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Drive tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.